What's up, everyone? How we doing? Trump victory and Bitcoin new all-time high. Nice to see. Nice to see. How's it going, Silver? Silver's already up in here. Smash the like button. Yeah, I changed the emojis for the members on the channel. I was trying to find something that would be kind of fun or something. Some zombies I threw in there. Couldn't find exactly what I wanted, so I just threw a couple in at the last moment. But I've been feeling like death lately. Feeling a little better this afternoon, so 6 people in here. How's everyone doing? Looking at Bitcoin here, 75.8. Yeah, not bad. Now, we're not going straight up from here. I don't believe that. But I said that a while back, that it looked bullish here like Turbo did. Broke out. It'll probably, wherever it's going to end up, it'll probably end up pulling back. Probably tomorrow, if my understanding, the Fed meeting tomorrow. 25 basis points or something like that. And we got 12 people in here. No one's commenting. Let me go see. Let me go check check out YouTube and see what is happening. I can't see everything on the live stream here on StreamYard. It's really dumb. Yeah. I appreciate the words there, Silver. Silver's always bullish up in here. You guys see Toad? You'd think Toad would run, but it's falling. Shaking my head. All right, now I'm over on YouTube. I can see this a little better. Music okay? You guys can hear me all right? All right, let me get back over here. All right, now you guys are in here. I got 23 people in here. What's up, Alicia, Slava, Decrypto, what's up? Yeah, it was just lagging for a moment there. What's up, No Whack? Alicia says, can you check Beam? I just came through the door. Carrot and Beam. What's up, Aaron? Ryan, how's it going? Aaron, Yas to the moon. Is anything moving right now? The only thing I saw that was really moving, I did an update on it, was Radium. Yeah, I updated the emojis for all the members. Lifted Bandage says, can we check out Turbo? Yeah, we'll go look at these. Oh, we got flip coins back in here for 20. I appreciate that. Turbo and used car potential. What's up, Wyatt? Smash the like button. Yeah, Bitcoin's not looking too bad at the moment. Flipcoin says Turbo and used car. I was looking at Honk a while ago. Honk is back over the 382. Oh, Turbo's not looking too bad either. It bounced off of our green support line at 007. It's back over 86 here. Getting nice little bounces on a lot of things right now. Not a whole lot, but some. But yeah, Turbo doesn't look bad. Just needs to continue and have some follow through here. Our line of support held, and it's back over resistance. Next stop is that billion market cap penny and a half here on Turbo. Yeah, Turbo's still macro bullish. Slight pullback, and it looks good here. Uh, yeah, I guess there's really nothing I can draw. We have all our levels on here. We can go low to the high. Okay, it's stuck right at the 236 here. Over the 382, but right at the 236. So once you get the price over 949, then this thing's gonna continue to push up. All right, not bad on turbo there. Appreciate the 20. Yeah, I guess we're gonna go over to deck screener because I have to look at used car now. But we'll come back. You guys just got to remind me what to look at. You can hear me okay? Music ain't too loud because I think it's up a little than it usually is. Let me turn it down just a speck. There, that should be better with the music. Honk. All right, so honk here is pumping. It's back over the 382, so it's bullish back over this price here. After it came down perfectly and bounced, we'll see if it continues to run. Used car, hopefully used car is doing something and not just sitting there. Oh yeah, used car got a nice bounce too. It didn't even come down all that far. Bitcoin flipped bullish, new high, and now we're moving again. So it's back over the 382. As long as you're over 13.5, you're at 18.5. You are back to being bullish here. And once you break over this 0.5 here at 2.2, and then of course the 618, this thing's probably going to start moving up again. But yeah, used car is a very good play. So hopefully we can keep this momentum up. 30x to the new high at 5.5 here. I think you said you're going to hold to about a 15x. Yeah, if it blows through the new high, that'll get you your 15x, but it's probably going to come all the way up here. Not financial advice, but you may just want to hold for 30x. But it's good. Little pullback and a little pump going on. Not bad. What's up, guy? Ben, how's it going? Yeah, we looked at turbo, smash the like button. They are saying MPC to run, they being Wiz on X. Becker might be getting into it. NPC, is that the regular old NPC? Ending in 08 F6. NPC, I don't think we've ever looked at NPC here. Is that on Solana or ETH? Where can I see the... Oh yeah, you said ending in 08 FX. F6, I mean. Alright, this must be it. Is this it? Someone says Colby 08 FX. Yeah, this is it. This thing's already moving. They already talking about it. Oh yeah, this thing has a very bullish looking chart. Very bullish. Let me go to the comments. Okay, yeah, that's it. Slava says he's having 12 inches of snow today. Damn. Turbo, my turbo's 100% moon bag now. I'm holding half to 30x. All right, sounds good. Flip coins. Good plan. All right, looking. Oh, I didn't even go to the big screen for you, and you paid me. Damn it. All right, there we go. We got 28 people in here. MPC to the moon here. Looks extremely good. It's got a nice little fat green candle spawning in. Yeah, this thing's extremely bullish. As long as the price stays over 007 once again, 007. It's at 3 pennies already. So what we can do here, let's see what this kind of tells us. You know what, let me zoom out to the weekly just so we can get a better view of everything. I hate those little buttons. High to the low. Damn, came all the way up here over the 2618. Held it as support, bounced, made a higher high and higher low. Higher high once again, and she's starting to push again. Trying to see if I can see anything we can look at here. So the big target to watch would be the 3618 to 14, but what we could do here is off this most recent move. High to the low, just over the previous high, but it came back down. I mean, there's really nothing to say on it. It's bullish. It's a bullish chart. Somewhat respecting the levels down there. But yeah, just keep it simple. Once you break over about 4 pennies, it'll start flying again. Next potential big target is MPC to the moon here, especially if people start shilling it. Another 3 or about a 4x up to 14 pennies. Could be where it's headed to. But it looks like a slow grinder. It's just been going up forever. But yeah, I would say it's headed there. Is MPC a meme? I believe so. No whack for 5. Thanks for the MPC analysis. I appreciate that. Hopefully that helped. It's just an overall bullish chart. I really can't do anything with it. It's always making higher highs and higher lows. It held, and now it's going again. Or trying to go again anyway. I know what I can do. Just because these are weekly candles, we'll just give you your bullish levels here on MPC. But like I said, if they start talking about it and shilling it on Twitter and wherever else, yeah, low to the high, held up perfectly on the 382 to stay bullish at 2.5. And now it bounced over the 236 at 3.0. Next stop is 4.0. Once you get over 4, 14 is your next big stop here. You don't have a position yet. Yeah, it could be a good play, especially like I said, if they start talking about it. JN Crypto, how's it going? If you haven't talked about AOS, please do. Profit since 3.9, holding a long, slow chart, please. Yeah, we look at AOS all the time here. Someone said something. Math is dumping. Is it really? Kobe on Soul. I remember that one. Kobe on Soul. Colby or Kobe? I think I'm typing the wrong thing. I think it's Kobe. Kobe on Soul. Yeah, we've looked at this one before. Yeah, this one's flying right now. Low to the high. It's over the 382. Not much to say. It's bullish as hell right now. Just blowing through resistance levels. There's no wick. It looks extremely good right now. Next stop up is 13.8. Here at 13.3. Once you get over 13.8, which they're pretty much been all getting stuck here. All these daily candles. So if you can get over this and establish, it may start going like up. But looking at it here from where it is now, next big stop up once it breaks over that smaller 236, which it is over the larger 1618 here. You can see that next big stop is 717. Which, let me clean this up a little bit. But from where it is right now, another 30%, 32% move up to the next big resistance level once it gets over 13.8. And then if it gets over that, 70, we'll say an 80% move to 24. And then, of course, the top of the fib here at 2.8, 100% move. But it's looking good right now. Kobe to the moon here, I guess. AOS, PNG, and Ondo are my moon bags. Aaron. Yeah, just don't forget. I was just making a new Ondo chart before I got on here. I didn't get to finish it, but don't forget they're dumping coins in January. We got 30 people in here. Been 15 minutes in. Uh, Dog went to the moon. Went crazy yesterday. Louis says Elon and Jassy pull up if you can. Elon, you're talking about Elon, Dogelon, Mars? I don't know if you guys are talking about meme coins or not. I think we looked at the Jesse one. Why did it delete my type? Are we still live? Yeah, is it this one, the base one? Oh no, this is not it. This is a scam. Yeah, when you say these things, you guys got to tell me what it is because I cannot remember. Polak or Polak? My computer's being slow. Yeah, here it is. I found it. Not looking too bad. It's over the 3-2, so it's bullish here. Grinding its way up. Short term here, it's curled up. These things actually look like they're getting ready to just go vertical, to be honest. But yeah, looks good here over the 382 at 3018. Makes a new high. Very decent move. It's going to do about a 64x almost. Can't beat that. Very good one here. Once it breaks over 5-6, going to the moon. But it is curled up and it is bullish. Not bad looking. I'll take a 60x. Houston Streets. Welcome in. Houston Street Chaplains. He says call. That was the right Pollock, wasn't it? Elon coin meme. What is that on? You got to tell me what it's on, my man. Do you think the early investors will sell their Ondo in January? Why shouldn't they? Why should they hold? Why shouldn't they hold? I don't know. I just know when they dump the coins, it's supposed to be a lot in January. It's going to dump the price big time. Moonwell for Decloser. He says, how high can Moonwell go? Moonwell is going to a 12 billion market cap. Yeah, I guess we need to go back over to the other chart. Jim, how's it going? Magnet on Sol, if you can, please. Magnet on Sol. Call. Yeah, I think I have a call chart on the other platform. But he said magnet. Let me just see. Does call pop up on here? Crow with knife. I don't know if we've ever looked at it on here. Maybe we did. Oh, I guess we did. Call to the moon. Yeah, it's over the 236, headed up to the 382. Once you get over 7049, this thing's back to being bullish. It broke the downtrend, had a huge spike, pulled back. You can see clearly what it formed here after that nice little move up. It formed a tiny little, well, we are on the 3-day candles, but you get the idea. Little falling wedge, and now it's going again. So once you get over 4.9, it's bullish, and then once it gets over 7.3, it's going to the moon. But from where you are right now, for this thing to hit a new high, 6022 is a 4.5x, almost a 5x. And it may go higher than that. But that would be a 5x, and then the next stop would be the 1618. 9x on call here. But yeah, call's on crypto.com, so it's going to be a good player. I put $40 on Alien Base, and it shot up to 244. Nice. Yeah, I put my $100 on Toad yesterday, and it went to 0, or it's going to 0, so it is what it is. But right before call, what did we say? Oh yeah, Elon. You said Elon on Ethereum. But then someone said something else. Elon on ETH. We did call, but I was fixing to look at something else, but I cannot remember what it was. Oh, Magnet. Magnet on Sol, I believe it was. You guys are coming in here with all kinds of stuff to look at. Magnet, I believe we've looked at Magnet before. Maybe. I don't remember this picture. Damn. Let me go back over to the chat because I'm going to have a hard time finding this. Magnets. It ends in... Magnet ends in K2A7. All right, Magnet on Sol. We'll find it. K2A7 for Magnet. My computer's acting slow. There's so many Magnet on Sols here. Is Magnet the ticker? You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to... Is it this first one? What's the market cap? I think it's this one here. It's the same exact thing. Is this it on the screen? Mr. Jim Bean. Oh yeah, this one has a very good looking chart also, if this is it. I thought we looked at it before. That's why I was looking for something else. Not bad. Keep it real simple. Yeah, we got it here. Still not feeling the greatest, so you guys have to deal with the coughing every once in a while. I barely made it through the first update I did today. Coughed my ass off when I got done with that update. The GFI update. You probably can hear my voice at the end of it. I was struggling. Alright, so this one here, high to the low, it's right at the 236. It needs to get over 135. You're at 121. To confirm, this is the bottom. Bullish over 22. And then it looks like the moon is over 50. But not bad, it's curling up here. The main thing to pretty much watch, gamble play, is where's this thing going to go if you invest a little bit of money into it. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm going too high. A little over bullish there. But yeah, this one's a decent one also. New high on this one is a 40x. So many good plays out there. Damn, I need my eBay, or my eBay. Why do I always say eBay? I need my YouTube check to come through already. It doesn't come through till about the 20th. 20th, 23rd, something like that. It sucks. Now we got 39 people in here. Maybe we'll break the record again today. Yeah, not bad. But yeah, on the live stream yesterday, I bought Toad and it was holding support, but now look at it. It's because I bought in down like $50 already. Hoppy. Hoppy to the moon. What is Hoppy doing? Ooh. Yeah, Hoppy came up to the new high, 1272. Still getting stuck here. Once you break over 3034, this moved up since the last time we looked at it. Excuse me. Damn it. So if it comes up to the 2272 from where it is at the 1272, about a 6x. Once it gets a nice huge spike up. But it looks good. It made a higher high. Broke the downtrend and it's been going ever since, and it looks bullish right now. So just keep it simple. As long as you're over 2034 is the price to beat. Hoppy. You got wrecked last night with Dark Maga. Damn, that sucks. Doing a great job. I appreciate that, Aaron. Yeah. I told you guys yesterday, watch, it's going to go down once I buy in, and it's going down. Yeah, did any of the Trump or political coins do anything? I think those are done now. So if you're in on any of those coins, maybe come January when he takes office, or if something crazy happens before then, but they may be done. How's it going, Bad? He said, can you check out DAPX again? Looks bullish on the weekly and the daily. Yeah, what is DAPX on? I don't remember. I don't think it's a meme coin, is it? Or on Deck Screener. Yeah, alright, we're going to go back over. Oh yeah, Elon on ETH. I didn't know there was an Elon coin. Only Elon I know is Dogelon Mars. This one? Luis to the front of the line. Is it this one? Oh, looks like everything else. Good bullish curled up looking chart. Man, all these things look like they're just about to go. Even if Bitcoin doesn't do anything else and it pulls back, maybe the meme coins are going to finally take off. I just need my Soul Ori to save me right now. I'm back at the bottom. I need Soul Ori to move already. Yeah, this one looks good. It's curled up. Green candle spawned in here. It's over the 382. It's over the 0.5. Just let me pull this over so we can see it. But yeah, as long as you're over 158 here, you're at 1.8. Next stop is the 618 potential breakout at 2.3. And then how high can this one go? Elon on Ethereum. I don't know, maybe it is good to keep the Elon and the Trump coins. I would imagine the Kamala coin's going to go to 0. 10x to the new high at 3019. Yet again, not a bad pick, not a bad play here. Good gamble coin, curled up. It's going to go to the moon at some point. Moonwell. New member. Welcome in, Ben. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're going to go back over to the other chart, I guess. Because you guys are asking for a lot. Math looks what? I can't see that emoji. Is that a bull? Or the devil? Yeah, I went over... damn, quit calling me. We looked at... I covered... What was it? Radium today. Radium, I think, was the one that had the same exact chart as Jasmine has right now with the large head and shoulders pattern, and it went to the upside. So maybe that tells us what Jasmine's about to do. Yeah, we're bullish on everything. Everything to the moon. Caspa's breaking my heart here. Damn. Caspa to the moon. But Someone said Jasmine, Moonwell. Elon's looking good for a bottom. Oh yeah, Jasmine's got a nice little bounce in play here. This is what Radium did. It had a similar pattern just like this last time. Before this time we looked at it, we were looking at the same exact measure and move to move it down, but it's now at a new high again, or above the previous highs here. It looks extremely good right now. But yeah, Jasmine doesn't look too bad. I think we're going to ignore the bearish pattern here because we're bullish on Jasmine long term. High to the low, it's over the 236 at 2.0. So as long as you're over 2, bullish over 2.3, and then maybe that'll send the price up. Once you get over 3 pennies, it'll probably shoot the price up to 5 pennies here and be bullish macro wise over 5. Yeah, Jasmine. It's almost too late on Jasmine. But yeah, anybody wondering, I still think Jasmine's 50 billion market cap from today, a 52x, hitting $1. I will not accept anything less for Jasmine. Hunter, how's it going? Yeah, I just covered Spell Token on the channel. There's a good update on the channel. The one and only, the only one, I said. The only one Frog on Soul. We'll have to go back to that. Oh, it looks scary. Okay. Appreciate the membership. Got 30 people in here. Yeah, I added some new emojis for the members also. I changed them all up. So go check them out. Spam them in the chat, I guess. I can't see them because I'm not on YouTube. I'm on Yard Streamer. Whatever the hell it's called. StreamYard. Alright, I remember Degen, Moonwell, and Math. Math. I'm on the wrong list. Math looks scary, he says. Math is holding up. Hasn't really done anything from the last time we looked at it. Broke the downtrend. It had that pump, got stuck at the 618, got stuck at the trend line here, and it pulled back. It's holding over the 382. So as long as you're over 28, you're still macro bullish to push. But it did come up here and double top pretty much and lower high, but it did pull back. It got stuck at all this resistance here. That's simply what happened. Huge green candle, filled the gap, back tested. So as long as you hold 28, once you get back over 46, big price to beat is 77 up to 86. Once you break this high back here, then you'll know you're bullish on this thing to push. But yeah, Math is not too scary right now. Looking good. Looking okay. The only concerning thing, like I said, is this lower high here. But once these are broken, then you're good. But you just take these pullbacks, not financial advice, of course, to buy in, add to your bag, and a new high 1.4 billion market cap is a 41x from today. So Math is going to be a good one. All right, I was making sure you guys could see this. Oh, did it really? Did SUKU to SUKU break out? I was wanting to get in on that one. It looked so bullish. The whole chart looked like it was about to go. Damn. I just can't win. We did Math, Degen, and Moonwell. How's everyone doing today? Did you guys answer the poll? I'll have to go back and look at it. What am I looking at? But yeah, let me check my phone really quick. Man, come on. All right. Degen, is Degen still bullish, or did it already move out of the target? Damn it. Oh yeah, DGen's moving. DGen is in this bull flag pattern, potentially breaking out. Maybe it could still be in it. But yeah, DGen looks extremely good here. Over the 382 at 8. It's at 9.5 now. And it's in this bull flag pattern. So it's going to have a nice little run very soon. Maybe started already. I would imagine it's going to have a spike up and it's going to go straight to the 618 here. And you're going to have a decent 87% move here. But yeah, DGen 1272 new high target, 17.5x to a 2.7 billion market cap. And then a 4.5 billion market cap. Next stop up is a 28x almost to 26.5 pennies. But yeah, DGen is going to be a very good play this cycle. And it looks like it's about to run already, at least short term. He says you think it'll break all-time high. Which one are you talking about? What's your go-to coin on Solana? I don't have a go-to coin. I have Solordi. That's not doing anything. Put half of my Solordi onto Toad, and Toad's going to 0. I should have just put all that money that I was gifted into Solordi and just left it, because it hasn't moved that much, but I keep putting the money on things that are just dropping. Gamble plays. I should put it on a safer gamble. Probably should just put it all on used car. Used car is probably going to do a nice move. But we looked at that. What is Well doing? Well's probably still in the same spot unless it pumped. Yeah, Well's in the same spot. Has not moved. But yeah, we're looking at Well. It needs to get over the 618, 10.4 to have any sort of a breakout to hit these higher targets, of course. But just keeping it real simple, we'll draw one of two fibs on the chart, low to the high. As long as you're over the 0.5, you're bullish on that one. And then as long as we're over low to the high here, 236 at 6.3, about 6.4, then you're still macro bullish. We even pull it up to the daily chart and do this. From this pullback to the high, I'll just go ahead and do it. But no one else can ask for Well. They're going to have to rewind. But if we go low to the high, it dipped down below, but it's back over the 236 here. So as long as you're over 8, this thing's potentially bullish here, which also off of the move up, it is starting to move right now. Smaller time frames, you can clearly see the pullback in the price the way it did here. Could potentially be a bull flag pattern and it's about to move. But you'll know that once it finally breaks over the previous high here, 10.4 up to 11. But like I said, it's just sitting here, sitting on support at 8, not doing anything. 8 down to 6.6, maybe 6.4, and then any lower than those, then you're going to get a move like you have in the past, to where it makes a high and then it comes all the way back down, high and then all the way back down. So we're watching it closely. We'll see what happens, but how high is it going to go? Target here 1272, 12 billion market cap from today, about almost a 50x to $4. Well to the moon. Well is going to be a very good play. Oh yeah, Beam and Carrot for Alicia. I forgot you asked about that at the beginning. Beam X, is that what it is? Beam. Oh yeah, Beam looks good. High to the low, or rather low, or high to the low, yeah. It's right below the 382 here at 18. It's at 17.7. So once it gets over 18, you're back to being bullish here, but it is curled up. Doesn't look too bad. You could even argue it's bullish because the flat top almost on the prices up here and then the curl up down here, ascending triangle pattern, could tell you it's a lot more bullish than we anticipate it to be. But it looks good. Bounced on the 236, 618. Price to beat is 18 here. Pretty much leveled up with these others here. Right at the 0.5 at 17.7 right now. So it just needs to continue pushing. It looks good right now, though. There's no wick on this candle yet. It's just going. These are the weekly candles, by the way. But yeah, Beam's curled up here, just like a lot of things. Where's Beam gonna go? I don't know where there's nothing up here. Why is there no line up here? Oh, maybe I just took it off. Let's pull it back up. All right. So Beam all the way up to the 2272 at pretty much 30 cents is going to give you a 15, almost a 16x to a 15.6 billion market cap. No idea why we have just one target on here, but that's what we got. Let me change this. I guess it's for the decent move. Yeah, almost a 16x. Or a 1600% move, so about a 17x. And then Carrot, what is Carrot up to? Carrot's another good play. Gaming low market cap on Coinbase. I may have to make a new chart for Carrot. I don't know if we were watching it on the log or non-log scale. I think we're good here. Yeah, all right, we're good. Carrot is back over the 382 macro 4.7, so it's back to being bullish. It just needs to break the structure here. It needs to get over the 0.5 at 5.7 and then break over the 618 at 6.9, but it's trying to push right now. You guys think Bitcoin's going to come back down? Maybe hold 70K as its new bottom. Low to the high, it's over the 382s here, so it's bullish here. 0.5 bounce. That's why it bounced where it bounced in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, just keep it that simple. Bullish over 4.7, even more bullish over 5.7 to push up here. Not looking too bad. And then where's this one going to end up? If it comes to the 2272 at $10, 10.50, 1.4 billion market cap is a 20x. And then the 1618 $500 million almost for a 6.5, almost a 7x to 358. And a new high at $2 is probably very likely going to happen. Almost a 4x to the new high at 2. Good target probably to take a lot of profit. Nice little easy 4x probably. Yeah, you guys are asking for a lot here. But I can easily do these ones we're looking at. Someone said P&G earlier in AOS. Are we doing anything on these? Are they still holding? Are they breaking out? P&G to the moon. P&G's got a nice little pump going, but it's still inside of our pattern here. Still looking good. I would imagine AOS is doing the exact same thing. So it's on the macro scale, we're in this descending channel, whatever you want to call this pattern here. We could zoom out to the monthly and it looks more like a bull flag. But ultimately, off of this wick low, we've been holding up for a very long time. So keep it simple. As long as you're over 21, once you break over 30, this thing's going to have a huge spike up probably. Just like it did last time. Maybe it doesn't have such a huge spike, but if it even spikes up out of here, it'll probably blow through 30. You'll know you're bullish, and then 100% move almost up to 48. And then if it continues to run, you can see a 700% move all the way up here. Almost a 9x out of here to the $2 range. And then from where it is now, if it's going to hit $1 billion market cap, almost $5, it's going to be a 20.5x. But yeah, P&G looks good. AOS doing the same exact thing. Yep. AOS is at the top here. Maybe it's about to break out. It's over the 382 at 44. It just needs to break out here. But you can see, if you guys haven't realized yet, it's same exact chart as PNG. I don't know why that is. Maybe, I don't know. But you can see this one's going to break out high to the low once you're bullish over the 382 at 51, if you can see that. So once you get the price over about 51 and a half, maybe 52 pennies, then you'll know this thing's probably breaking to the upside here. Last time it broke out, did a 7x. This one is our measured move, I think. Not as high, but it takes you near up to the 1272. Maybe that's just showing us the target, long-term target. I don't know. 4.8 billion market cap from today, $4. New high 1272 is a 9x. But yeah, it's gearing up just like PNG. Gonna have a huge spike up. Next target on this one, 9.3 billion, 17x to $8. But yeah, how you guys doing? I'm still not feeling the greatest. My throat's killing me right now. Probably can hear it in my voice. GFI. Yeah, I did an update on GFI on the channel. I'll do LCX. Is the reversal loading. What's up, Joseph? He says, can you look at AKT? What is AKT? How's it going, Patrick? Good to see you in here. DMV boss, a little late. How's it going? What do you think about Jasmine? Jasmine's going to $1. Most people think 30 cents. Maybe it does, but it's going to do a 50 billion market cap and hit $1. That's my prediction. But it's looking good right now. It's holding up. It's getting a little bounce. Forgot what I was looking at now. How's it going, Bob? Arc Block. Bob says ILV. LCX. What is LCX doing? I think, yeah, I did a new LCX chart, I believe. If I remember correctly, didn't we? Maybe I didn't. I don't remember. LCX is over the macro 382 once again at 9.8. So we're back to being bullish after this nice, or not nice, but this huge move down. Low to the high, it came down to the 618 at 8. Got that bounce. It's back over this level. Stuck right at the 0.5 right now. So it needs to get over 10.99 here, pretty much 11 to continue moving, and then bullish over 14 here. That's the big price to watch. I mentioned this several times that it could still come up here, hit this macro resistance area at 14, and then come back down, or come down and hold here and then go sideways until it decides to run. But yeah, we're bullish. We've always been bullish on LCX. Even though this happened, it hit the 618 low to the high, and depending on where you want to draw it at, you can go the ultimate low, or you can go here, which I don't remember where we went just now. You can see that is the 618 there. And then if you pull it down a little bit. But yeah, nice 618 little bounce. It's probably going to start moving back up here. Price to beat is 14. The big price to beat that is this 14 to 15 cent level on LCX. And then if LCX is still going to make a run this cycle, $1.60, 14.5x up to a 1.2 billion market cap. 250, 3.6 billion market cap for a 22.5x, and then maybe your moonshot, which I think we have a moonshot up here. No, we don't. 4.5 billion market cap, 1618 retracement to 475 is going to give you a 43x almost. But I think LCX died enough here. It's time to become the undead and move up. Rise from the grave, LCX. You can do it. But yeah, we went over Jasmine. I think I said once it gets over 3 pennies, it'll shoot it up to 5 pennies probably. And then 30 cents or $1 is where it's going. I think $1. Appreciate you being here, DMV. Appreciate all you guys being in here. What's up, Samuel? Wow, on math. Patrick got into Alien Base last night at 29. Looking good so far. I was trying to buy Frog and Toad, but the Coinbase wallet dropped the transactions. That sucks. Well, I guess it's good you didn't buy Toad. You guys asked for something else. I can't remember what it was, though. We did Carrot. Oh, yeah, Arc Block. We got Uncle, welcome back. He says, how's Anchor looking for 2? Anchor's going to the moon. Let me see here. Got too many tabs open. Anchor. I don't remember the last time I looked at Anchor. Anchor's a dinosaur, ain't it? Anchor. All right, we got some market caps here. I would imagine an older coin like this, they probably haven't changed their supply, hopefully, because I don't feel like looking at it right now, to be honest. But Anchor is down here below the 236. It looks like everything else here on the shorter price action. Curling up here at the bottom, making higher lows. If we go low to the high, yeah, came down here and hit that final 786 support. It's making lower highs. So it needs to get over 2.6 up to 2.7, and it will confirm the bottom is in here, which if I draw one more on Anchor, which you go high to the low, yeah, that 236 is right where the price is right now. It needs to get over 2.6 to confirm short-term bottom, and then 2.7 to confirm macro bottom, and bullish over 3.1. Macro bullish over 4.1, and then where's this one going to end up? If it comes up to the previous high, maybe a little above, a little below, about a 2 billion market cap, maybe an 8x, maybe get a 9x out of this thing. But if it's going to make a new high and you think it can hit a 4.4 billion market cap, 1272 new high retracement at 45 pennies is a good 17x from today. I don't know what the market cap is on Anchor right now, but 4 is not too bad. It depends on if it's not a very low market cap. Damn, did we lose the chart? I appreciate the 2. I have 1K USDC sold ready for some coins, maybe when Cheddar drops. Damn, if I had 100K on Sol, I can't say that because I keep buying things that drop. I tried to plant a little seed in Toad, and I killed it. Must have been poison. I poisoned Toad, and now he's dying. But I appreciate the 2 from Uncle. Appreciate the support here. Jared says ZK Sync. What the heck is that? What is ZK Sync? Someone asked for Arc Block earlier. I think Arc Block is the one I did a new thing on. Arc Block on the macro Coinbase chart. Are we looking at it right here? Why does this look weird? Oh, it looks like it's on non-log. Arc Block, before I draw the other fib on the chart, it is looking like everything else. Curling up here, looks like LCX a little bit. Wick bottom, and it's curling up on the bottom here. It's making lower highs here still. A little concerning, but it does look like it wants to curl up. If this thing comes up to the top of the fib and hits $32, you're looking at another 21x to a 3.1 billion market cap on Arc Block for this cycle. This thing already ran up a lot since October. So if you guys are still holding, it's depending on where we want to draw this. You can see it's stuck right below the 236. Almost bounced on the 382 at 9.2. It's not going to always be perfect. So it needs to get over 173 to 180 to be a little more bullish than it wants to be now. But it really needs to break this structure here, this little downtrend that's in play. Which I guess you could call it, I don't know, what do you guys think? A little strong move up on this candle, and then the pullback like this in price is usually bullish. So maybe it's about to get a spike up to the 2618 at 3. Which, once it breaks over these levels here, is about a 20% move, and then maybe it comes all the way up for a 100% move. Everyone will be screaming moon on arc block, and then it'll pull back and back test and hold, which would be very good. But yeah, arc block. GFI, yeah, I did an update on GFI on the channel. GFI simply came back and bounced, repeating history. So just go check that out. Octavio. Can you take a look at storage and Polyswarm? ZK Sync is an AI coin that's been pushed by Alex Becker, I think. Okay, ZK. Alright, ZK Sync. 43 people in here. How's everyone doing? ZK Sync. I know I don't have a chart for ZK Sync, but we'll look at the chart real quick. This one's on Coinbase, I guess. ZKU. I'll have to make a chart for it and look into it, I guess. Damn, this thing had a huge little run here. Damn it. But the chart here, the Coinbase chart, I don't know, there's probably an older chart, maybe. But not looking too bad. It's over the 618. It needs to break over the 786 at 14. It needs to break this previous high here. But if it makes a lower high here and starts to pull back, that's not good. But it is having a huge little run here. No idea what this is or does or market cap or anything, but we'll have to get a chart made for this one at some point. But it's probably pumping, like you said, because it's getting shielded by Alex Becker. 20% move up to 16, new high. All right, I'll have to leave that on there and look at it later. If people are shilling it, maybe it'll get some views. NCT, Polyswarm. We haven't looked at Polyswarm in a minute. What is it doing? Nothing at all. Still sitting down here in our little cradle. Start calling these little cradles. Little bullish cradles. They're going to grow up and go to the moon. Not looking bad. Higher highs and higher lows. Besides this one here, but of course you can see the market structure that's forming. Above the 236, it looks good. Over 1.3 or at 1.7, bullish over 2.2. Polyswarm to the moon. It is going to go to the moon, I think. New high on Polyswarm, 26x to an 829 million market cap to 46 pennies. So not a bad move there. I think that's where this thing's headed to. If it goes higher, congratulations. 74.75 cents, 1.3 billion, 43x, and then the 1618. 2.7 billion market cap is a massive 96x to 148. No idea if it's going to happen this cycle. I wouldn't count on it, but that's your moonshot, I would say. That's a huge move. I would look more toward this one here. Still a decent move at 26x from today, where she's curling up. Yeah, not bad though. I like Polyswarm. Storage. I haven't looked at storage in a while. What's up, Charlie? We got Charlie for 5, says peace. I appreciate that. Super sticker, I would guess that is. Don't know that's your member thing. I appreciate that. You guys told me what that was last time. What is that? Damn, GOQ pumped 40% overnight. Did it? Or the last 2 days? What's up, Jeff? He said, can you look at Jesus? Yeah, I don't know if I have a Jesus chart. I know I have a storage chart. I forgot about storage. Hold on, I'm trying to get my phone to update. I gotta make sure people get here to take people places. Storage, no idea when the last time we looked at it. Storage. Damn, been a while since we looked at this one. But it has the same market structure here as everything else. But storage is getting stuck right at the 382 here. Let me pull this over. And it's above the 236, so the macro bottom is in over 38. We go low to the high. Yeah, it came down, hit the 786 like a lot of things did. It's back over the 618, stuck right at the 0.5, so it needs to break over 48. And then 58, 59 up to 60, and then your macro and short-term bullish. So not looking bad here. Once it gets over those prices, it'll be bullish in both directions. Or not both directions, but you get the idea. And then storage. I don't know the market cap for this one. Let me see here. No one ever asked for storage, which I don't have all the time in the world today to be looking at market caps. Storage is sitting at a 67 million market cap at the moment. All right, but we'll just do the high. Nah, SPA's in a good spot. Kelsey says it's dead. Jeez. It's waiting to rise from the dead, like a lot of things. It looks like XCN. I think XCN and SPA are in very good spots. Not financial advice, of course, but storage here. 786 retracement is a 4x to 190. Very possible in a bull run. New high on this one. I don't know where the market cap's going to be, but you could see 700 or 785. That is for a 16.5x on storage. But yeah, storage is curling up like the rest. But no, I was looking at the SPA chart earlier. I thought about doing an update on it because it's right by XCN on my list. But SPA's down here consolidating. It's not doing anything, but it's just consolidating. It looks very good here. Holding up on our level here. Once it gets over 0089, macro bottom is confirmed in. But the fact that the price is holding here for all of these weekly candles and it's just going completely sideways, that's bullish to me. Time to go up at some point. Once it, like I said, once it comes back to the land of the living, I guess. It will be just like XCN, one of the undead very soon. It's going to rise from the grave and go up. Eat all the bears. The bears have no idea what's coming. But SPA, I thought we had market caps on the SPA chart. I know I have market caps. Okay. 786 retracement up to close to 10 pennies is going to get you 13.5x. And then if SPA can hit a billion market cap, 1.3, almost 80 cents. Damn, that's a huge move, 113x for SPA here. So that would probably be a moonshot for 100x on SPA. So maybe this is where it's headed to. Maybe this is a good target to take profit. 10 pennies, 13x, and then maybe a 618 retracement, good spot. 4.5, maybe 5 pennies for a 6.5, 7x. But yeah, 5 and 10 would probably be good profit-taking targets on SPA here. But that'd be nice if it went to 100x, wouldn't it? But yeah, to answer your question, it's not dead. It's just, well, it's dead, I guess, now, but it will be back. Are we still live? I got 42 people in here. Oh yeah, he said Jesus. I think Jesus already came and left, and that's it. No one talks about it anymore, does it? Damn, I don't have a chart for Jesus. Could have swore I covered it in the past. Oh, I looked at it, I guess. Jesus, what is Jesus doing? We'll just pull that over. High to the low. It is holding over the 6.8 after it came all the way down here. Let's see. Low to the high on Jesus. Yeah, they're all matching up perfectly. Which... oh, that is the low to the high. High to the low. It's right. It got stuck right at the 382. So let me move this one off of the chart for a moment. High to the low, you can see it needs to get over however many zeros that is. 6.2. You're at 5.3 at the moment. But not looking bad off of the wick bottom, and then now it's curling up here. Needs to get over that price to be bullish and break out over 1.4. 6014 for a potential breakout to the higher prices here, which I don't know why we have this red line on the chart. I don't have any market caps for this thing. But Jesus coin, if it's going to hit a new high, we'll keep it simple. If you're going to hold Jesus to the moon, not bad. A new high on Jesus would take you up here to 5016 and a 30x. Yeah, Jesus has the potential for 30x here. So hopefully that helped. Let me go look at YouTube. Are you guys still here? No one's chatted in like 5-10 minutes besides the SPA dead. I'll go look at the poll anyway. Yeah, I did a new arrow update today too. New chart, new everything on arrow. Arrow's going to $20, $40. Yeah, I did updates today for anyone asking. We did XCN, Spell, Perp, Radium, Arrow, and GFI so far. So what is BTC at? Is it still running? Or 75 at the top? I'm trying to get over to the live stream. 71% say yes, they're happy with the Trump win. 3% say no, and 26% say don't care. We got 40 people in here and 20 likes. Come on now. Damn, why are the chats not updating? I see the chats now on YouTube, but they're not updating on my StreamYard here. Alright, let me back it up. If you like render, check out Theta. Is like render, but it's on L1 and has fully diluted max supply of 1 billion. All right. We got Uncle for 5. I appreciate that. Can we look at Theta and T-Fuel? Theta and T-Fuel. Appreciate the 5. Let's go look at Theta. I don't know if I have charts for these, but we're doing the best we can. I know I've looked at these in the past. All right, we got T-Fuel, Theta. All right, let me pull up Theta token. Yeah, we don't have a chart for this, but we'll run through it real quick. Appreciate the 5. I need to build charts for everything, but I've been sick lately, and I just don't have the time. Because now I've been sick for 3 days off of work, and now I got to go back to work tomorrow, half sick, and just not enough time. So ready to do this full time already. Low to the high, it's back down below the 236. So as long as you're below 124, 125, the confirmed bottom is not in. But it's probably only a matter of time. That is the wrong tool. But if we go simply low to the high on Theta here, yet another one. It didn't do it perfectly, but 786 retracement. It bounced up. It's back over the 618 at 117. So it needs to hold 117 and get over 124, 125 here. Confirm macro bottom. And then bullish over 183. Macro bullish over 2. But it's like everything else. Higher high here, wick low. It didn't quite hold the structure like you would see, but it's holding up. Another thing to say on it here would be low to the high. Yeah, it needs to get right over this 236 here to confirm short-term bottom. So pretty much the 236 here is going to confirm 2 bottoms, macro and short-term. And then let me pull that back up, and then bullish over 156. But it has a nice little green candle spawning in here. And I don't know what your target is market cap-wise for this one. Did you just say in the chat that it has a billion supply? Yeah, made a lot of money on Theta back in 2021. It should do well again. Theta is like render and L1. It has fully diluted markets or a max supply of 1 billion. So is all the supply in? And I appreciate that. Let's go back. I went to the wrong chart. All right, we'll just simply measure this one and we'll go to T-Fuel. So if this one runs, you said it's going to perform well again. 786 retracement, 780, 6x. And if this thing goes to a new high, which you're thinking it will probably, almost $40, $39.30 here. Nice 31x from today. Yeah, if you think it's going to perform well, then you're looking at a good 30x on this thing. And if it goes higher, congratulations. Hope you make money again. Theta. T-Fuel. This probably has a really old chart. Yeah. Yeah, this has a really old chart, so we're just going to clear this out. But give me just a moment. I have to make sure someone's getting a ride somewhere. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Patrick says, can you check render? All the supplies out. Okay. So yeah, I guess Theta and T-Fuel would be a good play. T-Fuel. High to the low. It looks just like the Theta. Down below the 236. You need to get over 6.2 to confirm bottom. This one you say is going to run also. Low to the high. Tag the 786 perfectly on the wick. Back over the 618. Yeah, we're looking at the right thing. It's doing the same exact thing as the other one. Needs to stay over 5.4, 6.2 confirming bottom. But yeah, I think the bottom's being put in on a lot of stuff. And it needs to get over 5.6. I think I already said that. That's at 618 level. And then bullish over 6.7. Bullish macro-wise over almost 10 pennies. And then where's this one going? If Theta performs well, I guess this one's going to perform well also. So a 30x on this one too. Both good for a 30x. This one's going to go to $1.62 new high potentially. If it's a dud, they're both duds, then a 6.5x to 35. Or 10x up to the previous high almost. Lower high goes to 0. But yeah, they're both good for a 30x it looks like. Render, we do render a lot here. So I know I have a chart for render. Render's still stuck in the downtrend, still holding up over the macro 786. At 418, you're at 506 at the moment. So once the downtrend is broken, you'll know. Once you break over, oh, it looks like you're over the 236 here. Let me zoom this in so we can see what is actually happening. Yeah, the bottom is confirmed in short term over 484, bullish over 590. And that'll tell you the downtrend is broken. And then the targets on this one, 3 potential targets here. 8 billion market cap. Where do you think the market cap's going to end up on this one? Because that's only a 4.5x up to 22. Next stop would be a almost 7x to a 14 billion market cap to 36. And then a 14.5x up to a 29 billion market cap to $74. And then, of course, the next stop after that potentially is 700. And you can see that's over a 100x, 136x. So almost a 30 billion market cap for render, maybe. Render. Not bad. We still got 45 people in here. What's up, AMG? Solon for 279. Is that Canadian? Can you check PNG and spell? 279 CA. What is that? But welcome in. I don't know if you've been here before. A lot of you guys, I remember the names, but some people come in here, I don't remember the names. Yeah, we're going to have to look at Alien Base too. Turbo's in a good spot. Yeah, we looked at Turbo earlier, but Turbo's still holding up over that 007. It got a nice bounce. It's back over that, what was it, the 8.6 level. All right, Canadian. So I'd imagine that's the same as the $2 super chat in the US. But yeah, we looked over Turbo and a lot already. But yeah, Turbo, the price I was trying to, the 8.6 level. Looks good off of this little bounce. If it continues to run, next big stop is the 1 billion, 1.5. 1.5 pennies. But a simple little pullback and a bounce. It looks bullish overall. Turbo's going to be a good play. Turbo, if all of these other big coins hit these like Brett and Pepe. If Pepe hits a 50 billion market cap, then why can't Turbo hit a 26 billion, 40 cents, and give you a 40x, 43x from today? Maybe they don't, but we'll see. If it only goes to a 5 billion market cap, still a decent move, 8.5x on Turbo. But he said check P&G and Spell. Yeah, I just did an update on Spell on the channel. Very bullish on Spell. You guys must not watch the channel, huh? Watch the updates. Just did a fresh update today. Spell looks good. It's curled up in a very good spot, going sideways. Looks like XCN and a lot of others. It's down here in prime buying opportunity levels, I would say. Once this thing breaks over 6.5 off of this support level here that it's been holding for a very long time, it'll start moving up to the 236. Macro bottom confirmed over 9.6, bullish over 0.018. But yeah, Spell's down here at the perfect opportunity in my opinion, and a lot of targets on Spell to watch. I went over this in the update. So Spell 618 retracement. If it only comes up to 0.005, you're looking at a 9x. If it comes up to a penny, 786, a 19.5x to that billion point, 1.5 billion market cap. And then if Spell's going to hit a new high, which is probably not going to happen, but it is a moonshot, 168x up to 14 billion, 9 pennies, 9.5 pennies. Huge move, but it does have a lot of potential for targets down here. Oh, checking my phone really quick, making sure my daughter gets to her thing. But yeah, Spell. We looked at P&G already. P&G still bullish. It's still holding inside of our pattern. You'll know it's going to the moon once it gets over 30. As long as it's over 216 here, it's been holding for all these weeks, curling up. It looks very good. And if it has a huge run out of this pattern like it did last time, 8.5x to the measured move target, potentially at $2. But you could get stuck at the 1618 at 48 once you spike out of here. But you'll know you're bullish out of this pattern over 30, and it may only do a 100% move. But it looks just like AOS. We're bullish on both, and we'll see what happens. But I appreciate the 279 Canadian. Slava says Spell. Yeah, we just went over Spell. I just covered it. We did DGen already also. DGen is in a bullish pattern, about to break out. DGen is in a very good spot. It's about to move. Solon says he's holding 30 million Spell tokens. 30 million Spell tokens? What is Spell at? I hope you make a lot of money on your Spell tokens. I want to get in on Spell. XCN, Spell, all of these coins down here going sideways, holding support, curling up. I want to get in on them so bad. They just need them to wait for me. I'm not ready for these things to go yet. Just stay down here. These are what we've been calling the dead coins, the dead tokens, whatever. They are going to become undead, rise from the grave they're in down here, and they're going to go eat all the bears. The horde will rise, and we will win. We will not accept anything less. 30 million Spell tokens. I didn't miss anything, did I? Oh, you did another 279. I didn't even see that. Another 279 Canadian. And you also do BitDAO. Appreciate the 279 there, my man. I assume you're a man, Solon. I don't know. BitDAO. I know we've looked at that in the past, BitDAO. But are you guys ready for the bull run this next year? Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin at, y'all? Y'all. There's that damn y'all again. I let it slip every time. Come on, y'all. Come on, man. Damn. I don't have a chart for BitDAO. What's up with that? Is this it? Yeah, BitDAO. Coinbase. I don't know what I can do with this. BitDAO. High to the low. Came all the way up almost to the 2618. Fell off the table. It's down below the 786 here at 62. Not looking the greatest right now. BitDAO. Let's just simply measure this. So if it comes back up to where it came last time and actually does hit the 2618 at 5, it's at 60 cents. So you're looking at an 8, a little over an 8x, 8.5x. Next big target up would be a 26x up to $16. Maybe that's where it's headed to in the bull market. And then one step further, low to the high. It's down below the 618, so we can't really measure that. So as long as you're below 6.2, it could come down to the 5.1 area here and still drop. The fact that it's below that, so you could see a 14% drop here. And then high to the low needs to confirm bottom is back in, which is making a lower low again. You need to get over 9.4, 94, 95 cents. Not the best looking chart, I would say. I say not the best looking, but overall higher highs and higher lows. So in a bull market, it's probably going to do like it did back here, have a huge spike up. So it probably will come up to these levels. Maybe it doesn't come this high, but maybe it does. BitDAO to the moon. BitDAO. Patrick, no shame in saying y'all. Did you ever talk about TIA? I don't think we did. Eat Bear sounds good. AXGT. BTC is at 75,750. Yeah. So it's still just getting stuck here. Thanks for that, Samuel. AXGT and TIA. Did we look at TIA yesterday? I want to say we did. But yeah, this one, why is this moved again? I swear, every time we come on, someone's messing with my charts. And not much of a difference. But anyway, this one here, yeah, give me just one moment. I got to make sure my daughter gets in the right ride. Be right back. All right. We're back. What are we looking at? TIA. Oh yeah. So just keep it simple. TIA bottom's not confirmed in until you get over 565 here, which it doesn't look too bad. It's pumping right now. Not the best looking chart, I would say, but it is down here below the 236, bullish over 728. And now that it pumped a little bit, if it makes a run, which if it pumps up and gets over this, you could say double bottom here, higher low, and that could be it. But now this thing, if it comes up to a new high, 13 billion, 13.7 billion to 33, 6.5x. If it goes higher, $43. We don't have the market cap for this, but an 8.5x. I don't know what this one is, TIA. Yeah, we're still holding on to 40 people. How's everyone doing? Oh, wow. We got 23 people watching on X. Wow. They're beating us. Here on YouTube, we only got 17 people. Appreciate all you guys over on X. Someone comment from X. Did you guys know that X on Twitter, they have it to where there's a donate button on the channel, on someone's page now. I activated it a while back and I forgot about it. But yeah, there's a little button you can push and you just donate. I thought that was neat. Y'all. He says chart gremlins. Oh, there we go again with the crypto undead zombies. Hit the like button. I can't see these over here. What? Is that the Hank Hill? Louis says my crazy Janet is dying. Damn. You still have your money in there? Oh, we got OG Jerry in the house. How's it going? Glad you can make it. Oh, we covered a lot already. We're still looking at stuff. Yeah, I was trying to get some better emojis, ones with words on them. I was trying to get the Hank Hill that said dang it, but it wouldn't let me. But we looked at, what was I looking at? I looked at all the super chats, didn't I? Mark says AI tech. Yeah, we'll go look at that. Myro and AI tech. Let me make sure I got all the super chats because we got 8 super chats already today. I appreciate the support from all you guys here. Just think if all the people that are beating us on Twitter was in here. Twitter for the win. Wait, what did I say? Oh. Yeah, or the dang it, Bobby. I was trying to find the ones with words, but I just couldn't find them. I'm not going to pay a site to make them for me or do them. Dang it, Bobby. Or he just says, dang it. I haven't watched King of the Hill in a long time. All right, we're getting off track. But yeah, we were looking at TIA. There was something else someone said, but I forgot. AI tech. What is AI tech doing? There's another one we're bullish on. Let's pull up the chart for Solidus. Solidus to the moon. Yeah, Solidus is pumping like everything else. Low to the high. Held the 786 perfectly here at 7.3 pumping. It's at the 0.5 now at 9. If it continues to pump, bullish over 10. And then macro bottom is in over 10 too. Not looking bad. Nice little pump going on here. Holding up structure. Not completely perfect, but you can see the curled up higher lows here. Not bad. Bullish over 13.8, 14 pennies. And then where is AI tech going this cycle? A couple of targets to look at here. New high at 88. It's going to give you a 900 million market cap, so just under $1 billion for what is now a 9.5, maybe a 10x. Not bad. $1.80, 1618 retracement, 1.8 billion market cap is a 20x. Oh, we got another target here. So not too bad, not too shabby of targets. And then the moonshot, 7.2 billion market cap, $7, 2272, 77.5x on this one here. But doesn't look bad. Nice little spike up. You guys think we're going to be bearish again tomorrow? Everything's going to pull back tomorrow? I don't know. The Fed meeting's tomorrow. I don't know what that's going to entail. Yeah, is there a Hank Hill? Is there any Hank Hill or Bobby coins? Boomhauer. He says he's going to leave it till the end. Well, hopefully the end is way up. We got Elixio from X. Frog on Soul. How's it going? Frog on Soul. I don't know if I missed anything else on here. OG Jerry says what I miss. Also Litecoin. Still got your money in Litecoin? Yeah, you guys never answered me. Did anyone log Caspa? Very good long position here when it was down here. Caspa to the moon. Oh, Solana's pushing. Why is Solana pushing but my Sol Ordi's doing nothing? It's pushing a little bit, but it's still, I need a breakout. So unlucky. Oh, look at this. The macro bottom is in for Litecoin. OG Jerry's about to have a party. Curled up. It's finally back above this level here. If it continues, it'll probably make a slightly higher high here. Litecoin's back over 70. Oh, it's back over the 382 also. It's bullish short term. Needs to get over 75 and then 83 and then over 98 and you're macro bullish. Damn, I didn't mean to do that. Litecoin to the moon. Litecoin's target. I don't know why I don't have a market cap on this thing. I'm gonna have to do that. 10x up to $700. Is that possible? Litecoin. I know I'm getting off track. You want to look at Frog on Soul or something. But that's my target for Solana. Solana's going to $700, 300 billion market cap. Since it is heavy, it's not going to do that much of a gain, but from right now, almost a 300% move, so almost a 4x on Solana. All right, we're going to have to go over here to, yeah, LTC party in San Antonio. We'll go party it when this is all over in San Antonio, meet up, party in the haunted hotel. Mark for 2, I appreciate that. Hopefully BTC L2s make some movements. Mint layer. I appreciate the 2. I know I don't have a chart for this. I don't think I've ever heard of it. Mint layer. Trusty old Gate.io chart. Looks like everything else got a nice little move going. Oh, nice, beautiful W pattern with the higher low. It's going to go to the moon. So real quick on this one. High to the low. Right at the 236 here. So to confirm this is the bottom, it needs to get over 13.7. Bullish over 20. But not looking too bad off of this double bottom potential here. And if we go low to the high, I'm going to say 786 it got hit. No, 618. Dang it, Bobby. Dang it. Oh, hit the 618 perfectly. That's nice to see there. Hit it again, and now it bounced. Oh, yeah. That's what you'd like to see, a 618 bounce. But yeah, it looks good here. Let me draw one more mint layer. You said this is a Bitcoin layer too? Damn, this thing hits things perfectly. Look at this. High to the low, came all the way up, got stuck at the 1414 at 82, and then fell down. Now it's about to run again. Decent respect being given. Let me go ahead. Damn, wrong one. Well, I guess we can leave it here. What do we have? $2 on this one. Let me pull the other one back up. But yeah, it already came up and hit the 1414, held the 1272 new high, then fell. So if this thing's going to come up and make a new high, that would put you at the 1618. Decent move, 10x, 10.5x up to $1.38. If this thing's going to run and make a new high. And if it blows past that, you have $7 and a 56% or 56x. But I don't know the market cap or the supply or anything on this one. But yeah, 10x to that new high is not bad. But hopefully that helped. SUKU, what is SUKU doing? Oh, we're on the wrong list. SUKU to the moon. Yeah, SUKU looks like everything else. It's consolidating. It looks like SPA and XCN. Slight curl up here. Not as much as it was at one point, but it's just going sideways. $786 is that green line. Didn't hit it perfectly, wicked below, but it's just going sideways here. Needs to break over 7 up to 8, and then once it breaks over that, then the bottom is in. Bullish over 14.5. But yeah, SUKU is going to be a good play. SUKU, let me pull this up. Damn, how long we been on here? Not only am I not feeling well, my throat's hurting, but my mouth is extremely dry now. My mouth is hurting. Not 2 hours yet. Trying to make 2 hours on all the streams. But been a good stream so far. Got almost 10 super chats. Oh yeah, Frog on Soul. We'll go back over to the DGen plays in just a moment. SUKU. But yeah, SUKU's just consolidating. If it comes up to the 786, 227 million market cap. Decent 10x. 800 million market cap, just under a billion. A massive move here. 71x up to 450. Still holding strong at 42 people. How's everyone doing? Still losing to Twitter. 25 people on Twitter, 17 on YouTube. I appreciate the 2 though. Mint layer. Maybe that should be the goal. Just stay streaming until I at least get 10 super chats. I'm trying to go back over to YouTube. I can't see the emojis over here, so it kind of makes them pointless on my end. So are people done being bullish? I saw everyone in the world was streaming this morning. Trump win and BTC new high. $82 votes, not bad. Damn, we've had 82 people come in and out of here. I'll end the poll now. Bob says ILV. Yeah, I forgot about ILV. And then we'll have to go look at Mana and ILV for Jeff and Bob. Damn, we've had 82 people come in and out of here, or at least vote, and we only got 35 likes. That's not good. Damn, I already forgot what you guys said. ILV and Mana. Haven't looked at Mana in a very long time. Mana did really good last cycle. Wasn't Mana the one that did a 400x or something like that? If I remember correctly. Yeah, we ain't looked at this thing in a long time. Just gonna clear everything out. Fix the charts. Mana looks like everything else, going completely sideways off of that last final dip. Does anyone do this anymore? Do they play with Mana, Decentraland? High to the low, 382 is where you need to break over to be bullish at 76.5. Depending on if you would have drew this a long time ago, you probably could have drew it back here. Clearly the bottom is in. Yeah, we'll just leave it ultimate high to the low. Bullish over 47, 48, or no, 77 rather. That's where I got stuck last time. Breakout over 167. Where is this thing going to end up? No idea the market cap on Mana. I would imagine it's pretty hefty, huh? $2.90, $3 would be a 9.5x. If it's going to hit a new high and you think you can come all the way up here and hit 14 bucks, 48x on Mana. ILV. But yeah, we're coming up on 2 hours now. I'm curious now. I want to know what Mana's market cap is. Mana. Oh, $500 million. Almost, yeah, 559 million. 85% of the supply in circulation, so not bad. So if this thing comes up here and it's $14, let me do the math in my... So roughly $14 is a 26 billion market cap. That's probably not going to happen. That's a huge move for where it is right now, not even at $1 billion. So I'll write it down though, since we pulled it up. So maybe Mana only does a 10x, 9.5, 10x to about $3 this cycle. Unless you're bullish on it, go to the moon. Yeah, we still got to go look at Frog on Sol, I think. 582 million market cap. Okay. Yeah, so it's not even at $1 billion market cap yet. ILV. ILV. Damn, it's already 6 o'clock. Oh, ILV is going to 0. Dang it. That's Hank Hill saying, dang it. I guess dang it, Bobby's better. Yeah, ILV broke the low at 37.50. It looks like it's testing it as resistance. Why is ILV dying here? Why do we have this here? Well, I guess it did break the low since the last time we looked at it. Let me see. Why? Let me get that off. That makes no sense to me. But yeah, this thing broke the low, so if it can't get back over 37, it's going to 0. Unless you just looked at the chart and you pulled it here, first time ever looking at it. Oh, the bottom is in. But it clearly broke the bottom. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this. So if this is the bottom, we'll pull it to there. It needs to get over 80 to confirm the bottom on ILV, high to the low. But if you fall lower than 30, then it's just going to continue to go down. You're at 35. You need to get over 44, 45 to confirm the bottom is in here. Bullish over 57. But like I said, if it falls lower than 30, which it is getting stuck right now at that previous clear bottom on this thing, which this one even here made lower low than these lows. So we'll see what happens. It needs to get over like 36 here. But with that being said, I guess this has moved now. These were based on the previous levels. So yeah, I'll have to make a new ILV chart, I guess. Or it's going to continue to go down here. It has to get back over 36, 37. But hopefully this helps a little bit. From where it is now, at a new low. If we can do a 786 retracement, like I said, I'll have to make a new chart. 22, 23, 23x to 4 billion market cap to 830. But yeah, nothing looks good here. The lower low just looks bad. ILV is in the process of still dying. I don't know why. Wag me on base. Yeah, we're gonna have to go over there. We gotta look at frog on soul and wag me on base and look at my stupid toad going to 0. Tommy Reef, Aleph. Yeah, we look at Aleph all the time. I'll cover it real fast. 46 people in here. We're still getting beat by Twitter. Barely. Oh yeah, ALB. Is ALB still bullish? What did he say? ALB. Yeah, we've been looking at alien base over here now instead of deck screener. Yeah, hey, ALB looks good. It held the 1618 that we went over. As long as you held over 30, this thing's still bullish to push. It's pushing. Once it breaks over this high here at about 51, then it'll make a run to the 2272 here. So it's trying right now, but as long as you're over 30, this thing's still macro bullish. It came over the 1618. It held very good here for a week almost. But that next stop up would potentially be at an 85% spike. But if ALB is going to hit $1 billion market cap, come up to the top of the fib at 1040, decent from today, 26.5x. But yeah, ALB looks extremely well. Blew out of our large pattern and it's bullish again. The Muffin Man says you should take a look at Shapeshift. Yeah, we look at Shapeshift all the time. Jeff says, what coins are you bullish on personally? I don't know. We talk about a lot of coins here. A lot of them have very good looking charts I would love to get in on. Project wise, I couldn't answer that. I learned from the past. I was bullish on ADA, Cardano, and Shiba. Believed in the projects and the prices people said, and I'll never make that mistake again. I look at charts now and potential moves. But I'm not invested in any, my man. I own $100 in Toad, which is going to 0, and $100 in Soul Ordi, which is doing nothing. Gamble plays to get me back in the market, but they just don't want to do nothing. Slava says I'm super bullish on Solana. 1K incoming. Hopefully. I think Solana's going to 700. But if I had money to just put in something, say I had 10K, or hell, at this point 1,000, hell, at this point 100, But if I had 10K to put on something for a solid play, I'd probably just put it on Dogecoin. Dogecoin's easy 10x, guaranteed 10x in my opinion. Maybe higher. Yeah, that's what I would do. I would just put it on Dogecoin and let it ride. I guess we need to go over here and look at Frog. I asked for that a long time ago on X. Let's see here. But yeah, Aleph, I think we looked at last night. Excuse me. But welcome all the people coming in here. I appreciate the support from you guys, the views. Everyone hit the like button. Hank Hill to the moon. See, why is this one off? Oh, no wonder. Aleph had a decent pullback, but it's ultimately holding the uptrend here, higher low, so that is bullish. Back below the 618, so I would keep it simple. It's holding this little short-term uptrend here. Didn't quite hit the 618 perfectly, but you're holding here. As long as you hold the trend, it just hit it once again. You need to push back through 17 and then 19. And then 19, pretty much 20 cents to be bullish again. But good looking market, good looking market structure. And then where's this one going? $500 million market cap, 1618 retracement to $2, 11x, and then multi-billion market cap, 2272 retracement potentially. This is a huge move, 52 or 53.5x up to $9. But I don't know what this is or does. Hasn't really ever ran, it looks like. It's on Coinbase. I'd imagine it's a low market cap. Moonshot and a good target here for a 10x, 11x, 500 million market cap. Good spot to take profit. That's what I would say. Cheddar too risky to buy now. It went down a bit. It's Cheddar. Yeah, we'll go look at Cheddar and Frog and something else. Yosef, welcome in. I didn't see you here yet. Deep Book, Mocha, you'll still be in the game. You'd still be in the game. Yeah. Put my money into a stupid toad and it dropped below support, so I don't know what to say. I just need one good play, one good coin that'll move on me. Down, or I was down last I looked, about $50 on that stupid toad coin from that 100. I'm just gonna leave the other 100 on Soul Ordy and just see what happens. If it does a 50x this cycle, I'll at least get something. Yeah, we looked at LCX. You asked for something else, didn't you? The Muffin Man. Oh yeah, Fox. But yeah, we're gonna go over to Deck Screener. But yeah, we look at Fox all the time. I just did an update yesterday or something, I believe, on the channel. I have updates on the channel if you guys are not aware. You guys come in here asking for stuff that I just covered. Yeah, it looks good here. It's doing nothing. It looks good. It's doing nothing. I guess I drew this squiggly line. That's probably what's going to end up playing out at some point. I don't know why I keep moving this damn thing. But it spiked up out of the downtrend. Huge spike up. Hit the 382 perfectly at 8.7. And now it's pulling back. If we look on the smaller time frames, make the case to be a little more bullish on this thing. It's kind of hanging out in the middle of nowhere. Well, we can solve that by drawing a low to the high fib. You can see it came down, hit the 0.5, bounced. It bounced for a potential double bottom, lower high or higher low. Looks good in that respect. And then one more thing to be bullish on, if we just simply look at the price, huge move up. This thing is in a continuation pattern to the upside. So Fox is about to do what Ponyboy told us. He's about to blow. He can't take it anymore. Fox is about to move. But yeah, bullish triangle pattern here, pennant pattern, whatever you want to call it. Not too bad looking. Fox is gearing up to go. Yeah, it's back over the 236 low to the high at 679. Yeah. Oh, I can do this, I guess. And then we'll go over to Deck Screener, because I know the Deck Screener coins need to be looked at. Oh yeah, it's over the 618. So once you're over 7.0, you're at 7.1. Once you get over 7.7, you'll know at that time this thing's going. Potentially. Yeah, I would say that if we had to pull this up here for another little spike up, still holding the triangle pattern. So over 7.7, it'll have a breakout. But yeah, Fox looks good. Thanks. Appreciate it. Appreciate you saying thanks. Sui is the next Solana for Abraham. So when you say, for example, Moonwell to 12 billion market cap, should we take with a pinch of salt, like Cardano scenario? That's a good point. Probably. I would take everything with a grain of salt. That's what I say all the time on here. You guys don't hold to these high targets. There's no guarantee they're going to get hit. But just the fact that we're bullish on Moonwell, a lot of people like Moonwell, and people have been talking about Moonwell lately. It's on Coinbase. There's a good chance it could be the winner this cycle. Just like last cycle, we had people talking about Solana, and then Solana went to the moon. You just never know. That's why we go over here on all the updates I do on the channel. We look at the macro charts. We look at all these different targets to go over. Good example, which I made an update on today, is XCN. Metal detecting I haven't seen in here yet, but he's bullish on XCN. But this is why we go over these targets. Because when we get into that mania phase to where everything's going vertical, everyone's going to be coming into these live streams, mine or whoever's, and they're going to be asking, when do they get out? What do they do? When do I take profit? They're freaking out. But just look back on some of the newer updates on the channel, like XCN, for example, here. There's no guarantee. You know, if we were extremely bullish on this one here, just as an example, say this is Moonwell. The new high on this one is 88, 27 billion market cap, 600x. Probably not going to happen because that's a huge move, but it's just an example. But you know, that's your moon target. That's your moonshot gamble play. You have all these other targets here. 382 retracement for 4x, 1 penny here for an 8.5x, so on and so forth. 2 pennies is a good round number for a 15 or 16.5x. So a lot of good potential targets to be taken on the way up at all these retracement levels. There's no guarantee they're going to get blown through. They could get stuck at either one and then pull back, and then you never go back up. But that's the idea. So yeah, grain of salt taken with everything. Because this right here, a 40x, is a massive move. Not for a bull run per se, but it depends on the coin. But still, if I had XCN down here, which I want to buy in down here, but I can't because I'm poor. But if I was holding XCN, a large bag, say I had 10K in here, I would not hold my XCN up to the 786 retracement for 40x. Because there's no guarantee that is going to get hit. I would take profit along the way and then let my initial investment 10K ride after I made all my profit, of course. And then a very small percentage to see if it's going to run up to that 600x. 600x, that would be nice, wouldn't it? So you'd say the fib targets are good points. I think they are. From my experience looking at this, looking at the charts for as long as I've been doing this, they get respected to a degree. And a lot of things in a bull market, I remember from last time, they'll be down here in the dirt, dead like these are. They haven't raised up from the dead yet. They're not undead yet. In a bull market, you're more likely than not, you're going to get these retracements to the 618. And if it breaks out, it'll probably hit a new high. Maybe. It doesn't have to, but a lot of things will come up to the 618 and do something like this. Blow off top maybe to the 786 and then come back down. It depends on the coin. It depends on if it's old or not. It depends on if people are buying it or not. It depends on a lot of different things. But that's why we say Moonwell to 12 billion. Because I think it's a lot of people are going to buy Moonwell. You get the idea. Hopefully that helped. I feel like I'm over explaining it, but we have, I didn't see this. Peak said, where do I donate? There's in the description of the live stream in every video, there's a tip jar for a bunch of different cryptos. Pretty much all the ones we talk about on the channel here, Tether, Bitcoin, Solana, whatever. But only send those to those wallets if you're going to do that. I'm not telling you to, but there's also Cash App and Super Chats here on YouTube. But yeah, people ask that a lot, but it's all over the place. Jeff says he's super bullish on XCN. Yeah, I like XCN, especially where it's at. A lot of good profit opportunities. But yeah, as long as I've been doing this, I know other people use other things, but I think the fibs are the best thing to use. You could use a bunch of different things, just like on the screen here. I always have the stock RSI on the screen just because it looks good. But people use these for different things, for divergence, for overbought, oversold, especially the regular RSI. But this doesn't really tell you anything. You can see the price of XCN is flat here. It's been doing nothing. This tells you momentum. When it's over 50, the momentum is up. When it's below, the momentum is down. It's a momentum indicator. And you can usually see it with your own eyes with the candles. And it's not a leading indicator. So it doesn't tell you anything. You can see the curl up here, the bullish curl, the blue is over the purple. But we can see that on the chart. We have a little green candle spawn in. That's why it's moving up like that. But, you know, people trade. People do what they do. I can't trade. I lose money all the time. So I tried to invest. That was my plan for this cycle, which I had money in the market this January, but not anymore. Not going to go through that whole story again. But yeah, I like XCN. It's down here just laying flat, completely dead, waiting for you to buy in to go to the moon. Damn, we almost got 50 people in here. We're neck and neck, 25 on Twitter and 24 on YouTube. We need one more person to share this out, get someone else in here on YouTube. We'll be neck and neck here. Jeff says go big or go home. Jeff's going to hold his bag to 600X on XCN, huh? All right, before it ends up getting too late on me, let me go over to, you guys were asking for some deck screener coins. Go big or go home. That's what we say. Or not what we say, but it's like when I say with Jasmy and ACH, it's going to $1. I will not accept anything less. I don't know. That's been my mindset all day today. Haven't been feeling good, and I'm just bullish now. Even though I don't have money in the market, I'm just screw it. We're almost in 2025. You guys are going to make a lot of money, so we're going to be bullish from now on. We will not accept being bears here. Oh yeah, Sui. Yeah, I'll look at Sui if I remember. Abraham, I forgot. But yeah, I think Sui's going to be big. Sui is going to be the next Solana. So Sui is going to be a really good play this cycle. Probably better than Moonwell. Not that. Oh, we got 51 people now. We're beating them now. We got 26 in here. But what were we looking at on deck screener? Damn, I got to plug my phone in. Oh, he says not 600X, but 786. Yeah. All right, you guys can hear and see this, right? Oh yeah, we looked at Elon earlier. A lot of the meme coins are in good spots. They're pumping already. Hoppy, yeah, Toad is the one. Yeah, damn, it's still going down. Dang it, Bobby. Someone put the Hank Hill emoji up. Dang it. Dang it, Toad. Damn, this thing's still going down. I bought in when it was holding up over the 1618. I tried again. But Elizabeth came in here. She hasn't been back. I don't know if she's here now. There's a lot of people in here. But Elizabeth came in here and donated 2 Solana. So just do the math on that, but 2 Solana for me to invest with, which now it's almost all gone. I squandered it away, gambled it away. So sad. But yeah, I think it was like, yeah, last night we bought in. I bought in on Toad here. I should have just cut it already, but what's the point? But he said frog on soul. Frog on soul. Hopefully he didn't mean Toad. Frog. I don't know if he's still here or still on Twitter. Was it Elixio? Damn, I don't remember who asked for Toad. Frog. Jim says, how do you learn to do the charts? Self-taught. Self-taught, my man. Trial and error. If you go back on my channel and look at some of the older videos, it's probably cringy and stupid. But I used to use, I think I started off looking at the Ikemochu cloud. I don't even remember now. Who cares? Yeah, and there's good amounts of videos, Jeff says, on YouTube. There's a lot of videos where you can go learn to do things, learn to chart. That's what I did. I watched tons and tons of videos, read tons of articles. I still do. But I've kind of just narrowed it down to what I do now. Keeping it real simple. And that's what I think has helped the channel grow, because we just keep things real simple here. There's no point in overcomplicating it. And the respect that is given to some of the Fibonacci levels and some of the charts and some of the targets we see getting hit, why not just keep it simple? All right, he says this is it. Are you going back and forth in between Twitter and YouTube? I'm going to zoom in on this one. It looks like it topped out. Hopefully you bought in low and sold the top. Looks like Toad. Frog. Yeah, it looks like the Toad and the Frog coins are done. It's doing the same thing Toad's doing. The hype was there, now it's gone. I knew I shouldn't have bought in on something that went up already. Should have just kept that money in Soul Ordi. Save me, Solana. Did someone put up the dang it Hank Hill? Or the what? Whatever he's doing there. What? Yeah, high, low to the high. Let me put this on log scale. So, Frog here for my guy here. As long as you stay over 15.5, you're at 246. If you can stay over 15.5, it's still bullish to push right back up. But it just came out. These are 4-hour candles. I would simply watch that. It could technically come down to 9.1 and still be bullish. But the fact that it's just moving up here, I would just watch this level. If it drops down here and you fall below 155, then it's probably confirming it's done. And where is it going to end up if it goes? The only thing I can do here is go from that low, tiny little low, to the high. And it's over the 2618, so you could watch 2.1 for support. And then if it holds, or if it goes from where it is right now on Frog here, if it makes a new high again, you're looking at a 160% move up to 6.5, and then the top of the fib here. Not bad. 5x up to 1 penny. But it has to stay over that level there or it's done. Which on the larger time frames, it kind of looks done. Well, not necessarily on the smaller ones, but on the larger ones. Could still keep running. Gamble play is all I can really say. Maybe I should buy SUI, not financial advice. Yeah, do your research on SUI if you're thinking about that. Go watch videos on it, do all the research you can on it. and then form your own decision. If you think people are thinking it's going to be the next Solana, then it's going to be huge. Knight Rider coins, what is that? But yeah, how's everyone doing? Hit the like button. Oh yeah, Sui. Yeah, we'll go look at Sui again. I like Sui. What is Knight Rider coins? Jeff says eventually you'll get comfortable using the charts. At the point you get to start using your intuition and see patterns and some things. Yeah, I agree with that. There's a million different indicators and things out there to use too. You just do what you feel comfortable with and you do what you think works. It's really all you can do. But I like using the fib retracement. What did I spell here? Hoppy. We looked at Hoppy today. Been a while back. Oh, we're already over 2 hours in. Jeez. Hoppy. Yeah, we looked at Hoppy earlier. Let me see here. Someone's here. Come on. But yeah, Hoppy's over the previous high. As long as you're holding over the previous high at 20, price to beat is the 1272 at 3.4. Excuse me. And then as we looked earlier, once it starts running again, maybe a 7x up to the 2272. Once it gets over the 1272 at 202, 7x. But it's a very bullish looking chart, made a higher high. It's been going up after it broke the downtrend here. But yeah, whoever wanted Hoppy, hopefully you're making money on it. What's up, Watches? Haven't seen you. How you doing? Hi, bro. Hope all is well. Have we done GFI and Caspa? Yes, we have. I just made an update on GFI on the channel, so go look at that. Caspa is in the same spot. Caspa bounced at that long position I wanted to get in, and not looking too bad. It's probably going to continue to grind up, make a new high. Yosef said he's going to kick back and keep listening and watching. I appreciate that. About to eat something and drink some tea. Still don't feel too well, but I'm hella bullish. Market is janking. Appreciate you being here all the time. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do when I get off. Eat a good meal. I haven't been feeling good. I haven't been eating well. Same as you. And a big old glass of iced tea and some nice food. Sounds good. Especially when you've been sick for days and you just haven't had an appetite. Hoppy, Watt, Draggy are Knight Rider coins. Oh, I thought you wanted me to look at them. Draggy, we've looked at Draggy before. Draggy to the moon. We looked at used car earlier. Honk. The other day, a couple of live streams ago, we were looking at dragging on slow. They changed the pictures on everything. Yeah, that's not it. Am I spelling that wrong? Oh, this is it. Oh no. Oh damn, that's a nice looking wick there. Stuck right below the 618 at 7 zeros. Can't see this. Seven zeros, 1 0. But that's a nice looking wick right down to the 382 perfectly and bounced. So once you break over that 618, hopefully goes for a new high, even though it just made a lower low from these lows back here. Not looking the best right now, but off of that wick, it looks good. But yeah, we'll get off probably in a moment, but we're still here. What are the rest of you guys up to? Yeah, I got to get better because I have to go to work tomorrow. Not only being sick, but my elbow has been, I don't know if it's fractured. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's hard to move my whole arm. Oh damn, it's time to end the live stream. I said I was waiting for the 10th super chat. We got peak 8 for 5. I appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot. Got 10 super chats finally. That's the first time that's ever happened. I appreciate that. Oh yeah, Maddie's not in here today. Maddie donated 100 last night. Mr. Ghost for the win. Maddie Ghost. I don't know where he's at today. Maybe he's lingering in the shadows, being bullish. Giggling in the shadows, just being bullish as he can be. But yeah, Draggy here. New high on Draggy's going to get you an 8.5x to 7081. But it looks good off of that little move down, I would have to say. I appreciate the 5 though from peak 8. Appreciate all the super chats from you guys and the support. Yeah, I guess it is time to end. 2.5 hours in. Down below 30 people. Only 2 people on YouTube? 1 person on YouTube? How is that possible? Goodbye, all. Damn, it says 27 on X and 1 on YouTube. Is that right? YouTube to 0, Twitter X to the moon. Jeff says he loves the live streams. Jim, good show. I appreciate that. Yeah, we covered a lot today. I think. Anyway, we did. Did I miss anything? I guess I'm going to have to go anyway. People are showing up at the house. All right. I'll leave it at that. Good live stream. Back up to 36 people all of a sudden when we're ending. 9 people back. But I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Appreciate the love, the super chats, the support. And we'll do this again tomorrow when I get off. Tomorrow will be later. Probably it'll be about the same time. 4:30, 5 o'clock, something like that. Probably 4:20 again. Yeah. But yeah, appreciate y'all. Oh, there's Maddie. Maddie made it in. Yeah, you're 2 hours late, my man. We just said your name. Maddie for the win last night. But yeah, I appreciate everyone coming in here, the super chats, everything. We will do this again tomorrow, every day of the month until we go to the moon. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. So with that being said, appreciate you guys. And none of this is financial advice. Do your own research, of course. Peace out, everyone.